Hello, welcome from Painter and Decorator York, and this video is about how to paint a room from start to finish, and it's for you DIYers out there. Okay, one thing I didn't cover in the rest of these videos series is what do you do if you've got stains in the ceiling or in your wall, on your walls or anything like this. We're going to go over that in another video because there's lots of different ways to treat it, and I go in various stages because I always want to use products that are low VOC, they call them, but you don't want fumes in your house, these toxic horrible smelling fumes. Most of the paints now I always use water based wherever possible. But as I say, if you've got stains in the walls or on in your paint, same as like not in solution, things like this, we need to go over all that. Okay, to finish off this part of the series, I just want to say that doing all this is obviously it's something that I do. It's the work that I've done for many years, and any painter, it's second nature, and it does become second nature, but you do need to use the right tools. So in the next video I'm actually going to do a video and show you, I'll do you a sheet of the tools, and there is a Painter and Decorator supplier that are national that I use. They've got helpful advice in there, and they stock everything. They're really good, but as I say, more on that later. But it's somewhere where you can go and you can get everything. Don't get me wrong, like Dulux Decorator Centres are really good. They'll give you good advice in there, but it's all based on Dulux products. So and Crown, I haven't mentioned Crown, which are a big what I found with paint manufacturers, there was a time when I didn't like using Dulux. They went off. The process of making the paint changes, and how it reacts is different. Crown, I feel at present, I haven't used it for a little bit, it may have improved, but it went through a shocking period where it was just awful paint. I really did think it was awful for me, so that's my own take on it. But Farrow & Ball's still an excellent paint, but I'm going to go over more of the, not so much the paint, but the tools, and how much do you need to spend on tools, because there's some really expensive products out there, but there's also some reasonably priced that are very good. And don't base everything on, if a tool is an expensive tool to buy, doesn't necessarily mean it's the best one to buy. So until the next video, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope you've got something from this. From me, David, at Painter and Decorator York. I'll see you later. Bye bye now.